Good morning, everyone. We're supposed to get a lot of snow here today. It's starting to come down here now. The little ones are just out playing before the weather gets too bad. Kenai Nala. There they go. Careful. Play nice. Very excited here. Hey, Nala. They're very excited. But it's 9:30 in the morning here now, and like I said, it's just starting to snow. But it's supposed to get really bad soon, so we will see. What do they do over here? Oh, there they go. Dodger. Hi, Dodger. What's she doing? Are you excited? This is going to be your first snowstorm. Is it going to be your first snowstorm? Yeah. It's going to be your first snowstorm. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? You excited? We will see. Hey, Nala. I got mixed feelings about it because the only thing I don't want to happen is the power to go because we got the puppies inside. Right? There we go. Play nicely now. Layla, you're playing a little too rough, my honey. Well, the snow's starting to come down a little heavier here now. I can feel the difference. Yeah, Kenai. Coming down a little bit heavier. All right, come on in. Come on, come get a drink. Here. Oh, good morning, little ones. Good morning. How are you this morning? You gonna get ready to nurse now? Huh? Your mama's there. You gonna get ready to nurse? Lazy here today. Oh. Oh my. You cozy? Good morning. You still waking up? Oh. Good morning. Your mama's gonna come in and nurse now. Yeah, she just came back inside. Oh, yes. Yeah? Hi, buddy. How are you this morning? Huh? Morning. Ah, good morning. I don't know if they're gonna start nursing just yet. Nala B, they seem pretty relaxed. They seem pretty relaxed. Huh? Where you going, buddy? I guess you'll have to try again later, Nala. Nala's like, yeah, they're just sleeping. So I'm just gonna chill. They're not ready to nurse yet. Oh my. Alright, little ones, I'm gonna flick the light off again. A lot more snow has fallen now, hasn't it? Yeah? Oh my goodness. A lot more snow, isn't it, Nala? Look at the snow on your nose, Claire. And yours, Ariel. How you doing, Nala? It's snowing? You watching them, Kenai? They're okay. There's Nala. Careful now playing. Don't play too rough. You lying down in the snow, Kenai? Yeah, Nala? Careful, Dodge. Careful, Kenai. Don't play too rough. Alright. Come on. Here. I know you're all cozy babies, but you gotta get up for your walking session now. Outside of your pen and around your nursery, okay? Yeah. Good job. Good job, Terrence. Yeah? Not stretching your legs? You gonna cuddle? We'll go back in a minute. Your pen is all clean now. Fresh bedding down. Yeah, we'll go back in soon. Okay? You guys just came up to nurse. Didn't they, Nala? Yes, I know. We're going to head back in now. We're going to head back in. They're back in their pen, which is all cleaned down now. And they had their little session. At the beginning, they were more lively, but when I filmed afterwards, they were more relaxed. But I had to get everything clean, ready to roll, because I got to get the other dogs out because it's soon time for their play session out in the backyard. So, they're sound asleep here again. And all the eyes are open. I'll show them after if I remember. If not, I'll show you tomorrow. But yeah, it's official. Every single puppy has their eyes open. We have only one yesterday that had them still closed, but now all of them have them wide open and can see. Yeah. All right. I'll let you guys relax. Back out with the other dogs. Just clean up their doggy doo-doo, or what I can visually see. And now we're excited. Yeah? They're here playing in the snow. There's Ariel with her stick. Why are you chewing on your stick, Ariel? Huh? You chewing on your stick? And Nala. You like it, Nala? We're playing? A nice little break from your little ones. And we got the others over here playing. Oh, there goes Dodger. Your first snowfall, Dodger. Your first real one. You've seen a little bit of snow, but you never had a snowstorm. Hey, Dodger, you've never been in a snowstorm? No. Claire Bear. What are you doing, Claire? Hi, Layla. What do you think, Claire? What do you think, Claire? Look at your nose, Claire. Funny little girl. Lucky night. I know. You like the snow? Yeah? What? You wanna go play? Playing chase with a stick. Go, Dodger. Go, buddy. Go, buddy. Don't let your big sisters get you. Yeah, don't let your older sisters get you. I shouldn't say big sisters because you're bigger than them. Yet you're younger. Go, Dodger, baby. Don't let them get you. You're trying to get the stick from you. I got a toy, Nala. You took out a toy? Oh, it bounced off the barrel. Did you get it, Nala? Claire had it, did she? Let me toss it again? No? No, can I be nice? Want me to take it again? Ready? Now, boys. Oh my. Boys. You okay, Nala? Let's look it again. Ready? Go get it. Do you got it, Nala? What is it? You got the toy? What do you think, Nala? Do you get the toy? Where'd it go? Did you accidentally bury it in the snow? It's there somewhere. There you go, good girl. All right. Ready? Oh, wow. You ready? Okay. Careful, them steps are slippery. Ready? I know. Go get it. Good girl, Nala. No, Miss Claire. Don't play too rough with him, okay? Yeah, Nala. You ready? Yeah. Go get it. And Dodger's like, oh, get it, Mama. What do you want? on, Nella. What do you want? What? Yeah? You want me to flick it? Okay. Pass it to me. Oh, you gotta pass it to me. Ready? You ready? Nella, where's your toy? Did you want to play with your toy? Where is it? Where's your toy? You ready? Did you want it? Do you want me to flick it? Yeah? Okay. What, touch her? Sissy gonna get you? Oh. She wants to play chase. Careful. What are you doing, Layla? Be extra careful because there's snow on that now. What are you doing, Layla? Oh my goodness. Ariel? Ariel? Oh, two of you up there. Hold on, Nella. Careful, girls. Play nice, okay? Play nice. Here we go. Go, Layla. Oh, oh, watch out. Where you going, Layla? Dodger and Ariel. You're getting right big. Look at you. I got a picture of you as a little tiny puppy on that bench. Now look at you. Claire. Go, Claire. Go, Claire. Run, Claire. Good girl. So you can't catch me. Go, Claire Bear. Go, Claire Bear. There she goes. Go, Claire. Watch it. Sissy's coming. So's brother. Where's she too, Layla? Where's Claire? Is she behind the doggy house? There she goes. Now you're up there, are you, Ariel? Pretty girl. What are you doing, Ellaby? Oh, Claire, play nice. What, touch her? The little ones are awake here now. We're back inside after the other dogs had their play, outdoor play. But here they are. Oh, look. Hey, buddy. Yeah. And as you can see, their eyes are open. We certainly have some blue eyes this time and brown eyes. Yes, you do. Hi. You know, Nella's just trying to find a spot to get comfy to nurse. They're all just following her around like, will you lie down, Mama? There you go. Your mommy's lying down now. She's getting ready to lie down now. Yeah. Hello, everybody. You getting ready to nurse? She He's over here. Periwinkle. Hey, buddy. Yeah, come over here. Yeah. Hey, buddy, how was your nap? Oh, the other dog's barking. Periwinkle, she's over here. Look at her walking. Little cutie. Hi, everyone. Hi. Over this way, pretty girl. Oh, she's doing her pee-pee. To the boys back here. You gotta go around. You can't get in there. You gotta go around the other way. Over this way, Periwinkle. I really. Good girl, Nala. You're gonna clean them first, are you? Look at the yarns. Yeah. Oh my Nala, I know. You get comfy, my love. She's gonna move it in. Careful, Nala. Watch your feet. Oh my. Oh, there's Mom. What are you doing on your brother? Oh, I see him, Mom. Hi, boys. Hi, boys. Say, watch out, I'm coming through. Say, watch out, I'm coming through. You're okay, buddy. All right, Nala. I'll let you nurse now, okay? All your little ones situated now, are they? That's good. I'm glad. And some are done nursing and sleeping. Yeah. Good girl, Nala. Good girl, Nala. Watching a show? Watching a show on your TV, aren't you? And nursing, aren't you? See, I'm watching my show and I'm nursing. Good girl, Nala B. Good job, little ones. You're doing absolutely fantastic. Oh my goodness, my heart. Oh, no. Look at all your babies. Such a good girlie. Why don't you have a nap too while they're napping, okay? Good girl.